Banaya Movies High School, Alpuranga Puripur. Dear learners, how are you? I am I am happy to hear that you are pretty. I am also pretty by the grace of Allah. Dear learners, you know that COVID-19 has spread all over the world like a pestilence, and the whole world is seized with the panic of COVID-19. About more than 5 lakh people have died of COVID-19, but we are safe and sound. So, at first, I shall thank to Almighty Allah because He has kept us safe and sound. Dear learners, my today's lesson is Article Class 8. I have taken 3 classes on article. The previous days I taught you about the use of a and an. A and an. And the last day I taught you about the uses of the. And that day I taught you 8 uses of the. Today I shall teach you more rules about the uses of the. Number 9. The article the is used before the name of a river. Gulf, sea, and ocean. Dear learners, look at the whiteboard. I have written one rule on the whiteboard. The article "the" is used before the name of a river, gulf, sea, and ocean. Dear learners, now I shall go to Bangla version for your easy understanding. মানে অর্থ হচ্ছে কি নদ নদী সাগর মহাসাগর উপসাগর এগুলোর আগে দিবসে নদ নদী সাগর মহাসাগর উপসাগর এগুলোর নামের আগে দিবসে ফর অ্যান এক্সাম্পল I shall write dash Podda is a big river. Dash Podda is a big river. The Podda is a name of a river, so I can use the before Podda. The Podda is a big river. Dash Meghna falls into dash Bay of Bengal. Dash Meghna falls into dash Bay of Bengal. Dear learners, Meghna is a name of a particular river and Bay of Bengal means Bangosagar, so I can write the Meghna falls into the Bay of Bengal. I have never seen dash Atlantic. I have never seen dash Atlantic. Dear learners, do you know the Bengali meaning of Atlantic? Atlantic means প্রশান্ত মহাসাগর. I have never seen the I am wrong. Atlantic বলতে Atlantic মহাসাগর. I have never seen the Atlantic. The learners, I am going to repeat that the article this used before the name of a river, gulf, sea, and ocean. Dear learners, now I shall go to rule number 10. Look at the whiteboard. First, I shall write the rule on the whiteboard. The article the used before the name of a particular newspaper. Dear learners, try to understand the meaning of the sentence. The article is used before the name of a particular newspaper. I am going to Bangla version. বাংলা অর্থ হচ্ছে যে যে কোনো খবরের কাগজের আগে দি বসে। ফর এক্সাম্পল, I read dash Inqilab. I read dash Inqilab. Here Inqilab is a name of a particular paper, so I can use the before Inqilab. I read the Inqilab. Father loves dash দৈনিক সমকাল. দৈনিক সমকাল. Dear learners, দৈনিক সমকাল means one kind of paper, that is the name of a paper, so I can write the before দৈনিক সমকাল. Father loves the দৈনিক সমকাল. Mother has read dash Azad. Dear learners, Azad is the name of a particular newspaper, so the has been used before Azad. Dear learners, I am going to repeat the rule number 10 again in Bangla version. যে কোনো সংবাদপত্র আগে যে কোনো খবরের কাগজ বা সংবাদপত্র নামের আগে দি বসে, যেমন দি ইনকিলাব, দি দৈনিক সমকাল, দি আজাদ, এটসেট্রা. Dear learners, now I shall go to rule number 11. Now I shall go to rule number 11 about the use of the article. The is used before holy or famous books. Epic, poetry, etc. Dear learners, try to understand the meaning of this rule. The article is used before holy or famous books, epic, poetry. I am going to Bangla version. দি বসে প্রসিদ্ধ ধর্মগ্রন্থ, প্রসিদ্ধ পুস্তক, মহাকাব্য, কাব্য, এগুলোকে দি বসে. Dear learners, now I shall write some examples on the blackboard. Try to understand. If you feel any difficulty, ask me. I shall try to make you understand. Dear learners, dash Quran is a holy book. Dear learners, we know that Quran is a religion book, so I can use the before Quran. The Quran is a holy book. The Hindus read their Gita. Dear learners, Gita is the name of a holy book. The Hindus are sacred books is Gita. The Hindus read the Gita. I have read dash Shahnama. Shahnama is a name of an epic. I have read the Shahnama. Dear learners, it was the rule of number 11. Now I shall go to rule number 12. the article the is used in the meaning of as mass as. Dear learners, this is a difficult rule for you, so I shall explain the rule in Bangla Bhasha. যত তত অর্থে দিবসে, যত তত অর্থে দিবসে, the article is used in the meaning of as much as. Dear learners, when I shall write some examples on the whiteboard, you will be able to understand it clearly. Dear learners, look at the whiteboard. I am offering some examples on this rule. On this rule, dash sooner, dash better. The sooner, the better. The Bengali meaning will be যত তাড়াতাড়ি হয় ততই ভালো. The sooner, the better. Dash more man gets dash more he wants. Dear learners, do you know the meaning of this sentence? The more man gets, the more he wants. মানুষ যত পায় তত চায়. The Bengali meaning of this statement is মানুষ যত পায় তত চায়. The more man gets, the more he wants. Dear learners, I shall write another example on the whiteboard. Dash more you read, dash more you learn. More you learn. Dear learners, it is a proverb or wise saying, the more you read, the more you learn. যত পড়বে তত শিখবে. Dear learners, rule number 11 was যত পড়বে তত শিখবে. Rule number 11 was যত অর্থে, যত তত অর্থে দিবসে. Now I shall go to rule number 13. Dear learners, try to understand. If you feel any difficulty, I shall try to make you understand. Dear learners, the article the is used before the names of those countries, of those states or countries with the article is used before the names of those states whose names are written with abbreviation. Dear learners, it is also a difficult rule for you to understand abbreviation. Dear learners, the article is used before the names of those states whose names are written with abbreviation. Now I shall go to Bangla Bhasha. পৃথিবীতে অনেক দেশ আছে যে সমস্ত দেশের নাম অ্যাব্রিভিয়েশনের সাথে লেখা হয় সেই সব দেশের নাম লাগে দিবসে. অনেক দেশ আছে, বাংলাদেশ, পাকিস্তান, ইন্ডিয়া, এগুলো আগে কিন্তু দিয়ে বলবে না. যে সমস্ত দেশের নাম অ্যাব্রিভিয়েশনের সাহায্যে লেখা হয় সেই সমস্ত দেশের নাম লাগে দিবসে. যেমন ড্যাশ USA is a rich country. USA. Dear learners, it is an abbreviation, United States of America. So we can use the before USA. I the full meaning will be Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. It is the name of a country in Asia and its names have been written with abbreviation. So we can use the before KHA. My father lives in dash UK. Let's try to understand the full meaning of UK. The full meaning of UK will be United Kingdom. So it is a state and the name of this state has been written with abbreviation. So we can write the before UK. Let's dash UHR is a big country. Let's do you know the full meaning of USSR? Union of Soviet Socialist Republic. So we can use the before USSR. Let's I shall explain the rule in Bangla version again. পৃথিবীতে অনেক দেশ আছে যে সমস্ত দেশের নামগুলো অ্যাব্রিভিয়েশনের সাহায্যে লেখা হয় সেই সমস্ত দেশের নাম লাগে দিবসে। It was the rule number 13. Now I shall go to rule number 14. Rule number 14. This is an important rule for you. Try to understand. The article the is used before the name of a magnificent building. Magnificent building. Let's try to understand the meaning of this sentence. By going to Bangla version, পৃথিবীতে যতগুলো শ্রম অট্টালিকা আছে, যাবতীয় অট্টালিকা আছে, সেগুলো আগে দিবসে। Learners, now I shall offer you some examples on the whiteboard. You will try to understand. Be attentive. If you are attentive, you will be able to understand well. Dear learners, dash White House dash White House is an expensive building. Dear learners, do you know where White House in? White House is in America. The White House is an expensive building.
Sir, okay, Karan.
Dear learners, I shall write more example. Dash Eiffel Tower is in Paris. Dear learners, the Eiffel Tower is in Paris. Where does the Eiffel Tower situate? The Eiffel Tower is in Paris. Eiffel Tower, White House, these are magnificent buildings, so they have been used before it. Dear learners, today I shall teach you another rule number 15. My classes is going on about the usage of article the, that is where the is used is being taught you by me. Rule number 15. The article the used. The article the is used before superlative degree. Before superlative degree. The article they used before superlative degree. Dear learners, it is an easy role. Superlative degree आगे the बसे. Dear learners, I hope you have already been taught about superlative degree. Now I shall write some examples on the whiteboard. Look at the whiteboard and try to understand. He is dash best boy in the class. Dear learners, he is dash best boy in the class. Do you know the meaning of this sentence? She class এর সবচেয়ে ভালো ছেলে. Now I shall describe rule in বাংলা ভাষা. সুপারলেটিভ ডিগ্রি আগে দিবস. এটা তোমাদের খুবই একটা সহজ বিষয়. Here best is the superlative degree. So D has been used before best. Good, better, best. Good is positive degree. Better is comparative degree. Best is superlative degree. My father is dash oldest man in the village. Dear learners, in this sentence the term oldest is a superlative, so they will be used before oldest. My father is the oldest man in the village. She is dash wisest housewife of all women. Dear learners, wisest is the superlative, so they will be used before wisest. She is the wisest housewife of all women. Dear learners, my time is over, so I am going to finish my lecture. Wishing you all sound body and sound mind. Thank you all.